So today's lecture will be centered around mental disorder. Our primary focus is bipolar, and we're going to take it's a sort of paradigm shift in visual entertainment.
We need that.
Yeah, so they overlap at some given point in different areas.
Okay. It's amazing, you know, because you know so many different things. You know, physics, linguistics.
You know, so what determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency of all the variances of ambiguity in language? Now, linguistics primarily, this is centered around linguistics.
The vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
Interdisciplinary where physics meets linguistics when it comes
in semantics, ambiguity, in
analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis.